right now on Jamaica News Page tonight.
Una wicked! How to forget Lucien! Una wicked!
A former Arnett Gardens football star shot dead during a reported confrontation with police. Tonight, the opposition leader is speaking out as the calls for justice grew louder. Also tonight, another deadly police encounter in Kingston. A reputed gang member was fatally shot. What authorities say unfolded during that encounter. And in Manchester, mystery surrounding a man's death after his body was found along a rural roadway. What police are revealing tonight. Plus, there's good news tonight. A major scholarship initiative supporting Jamaica's next generation of artists. The inspiring story ahead. And there's more good news tonight. A positive push for Jamaica's youth. Festival Queen Brittany Clark launching a national literacy initiative aimed at helping children read confidently, speak boldly, and lead with purpose. Welcome or welcome back to Jamaica News Page tonight, news that keeps you connected to what's happening across Jamaica, and we're powered by viewers just like you. We've got special rewards just for you. When you become a Jamaica News Page member, you'll unlock these special rewards you love, including a loyalty badge next to your name in the comments, shoutouts for your birthday, anniversaries, other special moments, and just so much more. Joining is easy. Just click subscribe, then click join, and choose to become a full star or full elite member right now. That's it. Simple and quick. A link to join has been posted in the comments. Please leave a comment so we can welcome you with a shout out. Thank you for joining us. Sandra Smith 735. Jamaica News Page tonight starts right now. We begin tonight with developing news in Kingston. Former Arnett Gardens footballer Lucien has died following a reported confrontation with police on Sunday morning. According to preliminary reports, the 55-year-old was fatally shot around 10 a.m. in the Love Street area of Kingston. Details surrounding the incident remain unclear at this time. Anderson was well known in football circles, having been a standout member of the Charlie Smith High School's victorious team in the 1980s, before going on to play as a key defender for Arnett Gardens Football Club. Opposition leader Mark Golding has expressed shock and sadness over Anderson's passing. In a statement, Golding said, "I am shocked and saddened by the untimely passing of Lucien Anderson. Mr. Anderson was a respected middle-aged resident of the Craigtown community, having been a leading figure in the victorious Charlie Smith High School football team of the 1980s and a key defensive player, Arnett Gardens Football Club thereafter. The circumstances in which he was killed in his premises today are troubling, and I have asked Indicom to investigate the matter thoroughly." Up to news time, further official details have not been released. The Independent Commission of Investigations Indicom has now launched an investigation into the incident. We will continue to follow this developing story and provide more information as it becomes available. Meanwhile, another fatal police operation in Kingston, a 25-year-old Niger Dennis, otherwise called the Boxhead, of a Pembroke Hall address in Kingston 20, was fatally shot during a police operation along the Michael Manley Boulevard near the Doncaster housing scheme last Friday. Police say they intercepted a vehicle believed to be transporting armed men. Investigators report that while the driver complied, the passenger, said to be Dennis, allegedly opened fire at them, prompting them to return fire. Dennis was later pronounced dead at hospital. Officers reportedly recovered a Generation 5 pistol along with a magazine containing four 9mm rounds following the incident. Police also say that Dennis had previously been arrested in March 2025 on suspicion of illegal firearm and ammunition possession after an M16 rifle was seized along Saunders Avenue in Mountain View. He was also reportedly linked by investigators to several murders and shootings within the St. Andrews South Police Division. Investigations into the incident are ongoing. Now to Manchester, where police are probing the discovery of a man's body along the Blue Mountain to Top Coffee Grove Main Road on Sunday morning. Authorities have not officially confirmed his identity, but residents identified him as Melbourne Gottschalk, otherwise called Junior. Residents say he may have been attacked while returning home from a night. However, police have not confirmed whether gunshot wounds were present, noting only lacerations and another wound. An autopsy will determine the exact cause of death. Meanwhile, Councillor Mario Mitchell of the Belfield Division has strongly condemned the incident, describing it as deeply troubling for what he says is typically a quiet farming community. Mitchell noted that the deceased was his parents' only child and expressed condolences to the grieving family. He added that community walks had recently been conducted in partnership with the police as part of efforts to prevent violence in the area. The councillor emphasized that Blue Mountain has not experienced a murder in several years and reiterated his commitment to working with law enforcement and other stakeholders to keep the community safe. Investigations are ongoing. Still in Manchester, a man was shot dead Saturday night, reportedly in front of his 6-year-old son. The victim has been identified as 32-year-old Cruz Smith, otherwise called Killer. Police say gunmen opened fire shortly after Smith entered a vehicle along Green Street near Knockpatrick. He was rushed to hospital but was pronounced dead on arrival. His child was not physically injured. The shooting occurred in the vicinity of a bar where 46-year-old Kevin Brown, also known as Cheese, was fatally shot in September last year. The incident comes just days after police conducted social intervention activities in the area, including a community football competition aimed at fostering engagement among residents of Green Street and nearby communities. Investigations into the killing are ongoing. Meanwhile, the Minister of National Security and Peace, Dr. Horace Chang, is strongly condemning Saturday's deadly gun attack in Denham Town that claimed the life of 3-year-old Zaylan Pinnock, otherwise called Jace or Zaza.
They are work. I'm gonna get the call. When I get the call, I run off from my work. When I look, I see my baby father lie down on the ground round the sun. And end up rushing my baby father, go out a public with him. When I look, I see emergency a come. When I look, I see I'm a 3-year-old. They look after we all me and cry. The nurse said, "Mother, just take it easy and try." I couldn't manage, me end up come out. When I come out on the outside, when I look at me 8-year-old, I come in a car again. Father and 2 sons. And then never 6-year-old sit there on the bed. When this 3-year-old and the 8-year-old. I don't know how I'm going to say. In the house, the shooter go. And them have to kill me.
Dr. Chang described the incident as senseless and linked it to ongoing gang tensions over territorial disputes. He says those responsible must be brought to justice and is urging anyone with information to assist investigators. In other news, police in the St. Andrews Central Division have charged a man in connection with the robbery and stabbing of a Kingston teenager. 20-year-old Antoine Gross faces charges of robbery with aggravation and wounding with intent. Police allege that last June, the teen was walking along Birmingham Avenue when Gross demanded his phone. When the teen refused, he was reportedly stabbed and robbed of $30,000. Following months of investigation, Gross was arrested earlier this month. His court date is being finalized. Turning now to a story of opportunity and inspiration. A first-year student at the Elamani College of the Visual and Performing Arts has become the inaugural recipient of the Oliver Samuels Scholarship. Dante Sanders was awarded the $300,000 scholarship established by Jamaican comedian legend Oliver Samuels to support emerging artistic talent. Saunders, who studies arts management and humanities, was recognized for academic promise, leadership potential, and personal resilience. Samuels says the initiative reflects his commitment to preserving Caribbean culture and ensuring young creatives have the resources to develop their craft. The foundation plans to award 4 scholarships annually to students in Jamaica and across the diaspora. A proud moment and a powerful investment in Jamaica's creative future. Well done, Oliver Samuels. And before we go tonight, let's talk about some more positive news. This is a positive story focused on Jamaica's youth. Miss Jamaica Festival Queen 2025, Brittany Clark, has launched a national literacy initiative called Read, Speak, Lead. The program targets children aged 6 to 15 and aims to strengthen reading skills, public speaking confidence, and leadership development. The initiative will include reading engagements, workshops, and national competitions across select parishes through May. Clark says reading helped shape her own confidence and identity, crediting her parents, particularly her mother, Senior Superintendent of Police Stephanie Lindsay, for nurturing her love for literature. The project will partner with the Jamaica Library Service and the Jamaica Association for Debating and Empowerment. It will culminate in a national debate and public speaking competition during Child Month. Organizers say the goal is simple: helping young Jamaicans read confidently, speak boldly, and lead with purpose. Well done. And that's the news on Jamaica News Page tonight. News that keeps you connected to what's happening across Jamaica. And we're powered by viewers just like you. We've got special rewards just for you. When you become a Jamaica News Page member, you'll unlock these special rewards you love, including a loyalty badge next to your name in the comments, shoutouts for your birthday, anniversaries, other special moments, and just so much more. Joining is easy. Just click subscribe, then click join, and choose to become a full star or full elite member right now. That's it, simple and quick. A link to join has been posted in the comments. Please leave a comment so we can welcome you with a shout out. Thank you for joining us, Sandra Smith 735, and also thank you for watching Jamaica News Page tonight. We'll see you in the comments, and be sure to join us again for more news. From all of us here, good night.